Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're at the Residences at the Grove, in Dallas, Texas. This is in Uptown Dallas. We're gonna look at their model. This is the one bedroom. I'm doing two videos to give a good walkthrough. So this is what the hallways look like. It looks like a faux kind of street. It's kind of a cool look, and it's air conditioned. It feels great. So we're gonna walk in and take a look. Okay, cool, very cool. Hey, it's really light and bright. It feels awesome in here. I noticed right away there's a nice half bath. Very attractive, very pretty. Nice half bath. What I'm also noticing is just some really nice light wood. It's beautiful. The wood is gorgeous. You've got a really lovely kitchen here too. Kitchen's just gorgeous. It's got a lot of white cabinets. You've got beautiful appliances, with like this fridge with an ice maker. That's really cool. And then you've got this really nice stove as well. That has gas. Very unusual to see that. That's a very nice high-rise kind of feature. So I sure love seeing that. You've got another nice thing like this glass facing cabinet. That's really cute and attractive. And of course you've got this wonderful island. The island's really nice, so you really don't need a table for the basics. You can put 2 or 3 of these bar stools are here. But this is a rather big apartment, so you can have additional space like this cute little breakfast table easily. You also have this kind of beautiful details and feel here. This is a small sectional. And then you also have this nice little area here built in. This is an adorable apartment. It really is. This is kind of what it looks like from the back here. Very attractive. This also has a balcony, so let's pop out on that real quick. See if we can get out on there. We may or may not be able to make it out there. Okay, there we go. So we're out there, and this is what it looks like out here. So really, really nice. You've got some fantastic views waiting for you. And this is just a great area. It's a real happening area. So anyway, this is what it looks like, and this is part 1. We're not going to go into the bedroom and bath. We'll just do a quick part 2 so you can see that. Hey, if you have questions at any time, or you're ready to tour this pretty place at the Residences, the fastest way to do that is to send me a text. It's always free, and what we'll do is we'll set up either a virtual live or actual in-person live, either one, whichever fits. We can set up as early as today, depending on when you're watching this video. So send me that text, just use the number below. It's 100% free service. We'd love to help you.